If your employee expense management programs are being run manually, chances are they are costing you far more and taking way too long. Businesses need a faster, simpler, and more cost-efficient way to manage employee expenses. Introducing Zaggle Expense, a do-it-yourself, SaaS-based expense automation and prepaid cards platform. Designed to quick-start automation, Expense enables small and medium enterprises to digitize manual expense management processes in less than 30 minutes. For small and medium businesses that need an effortlessly simple system, Expense streamlines the complete employee expense workflow, spanning card payments, expense filing, approval, and reimbursements. This improves process efficiency and business productivity. So how does Expense work? Businesses can define spend policies, configure expense approval processes, and gain real-time visibility into spending. Expense provides a centralized platform to manage and monitor any employee expense. For certain expenses such as fuel, the system is equipped with a built-in mileage tracker to automatically calculate travel distance and prevent falsified claims. Expense brings all stakeholders, from employees to approvers all the way through to finance, onto a single automated flow, accelerating the expense process. Businesses can pre-fund expenses by empowering employees with Expense prepaid cards. Dynamic card controls allow businesses to set spend limits and define where, when, and how employees can use cards. Every time employees swipe the card, they receive an instant notification to file expenses. Expense submissions happen on the go. Employees can quickly scan receipts using the Zaggle app. AI-powered optical character recognition technology automatically captures relevant information, the bill ID, the amount, and the date of the transaction. The expenses are categorized and matched against the card transaction, simplifying the filing process and reducing errors. Advanced policy controls automatically highlight duplicate and out-of-policy expenses before routing the receipts for approval. Reviewing and approving bills is easy. Approvers receive email and WhatsApp notifications and can approve expenses with a single click. Aggregate insights and provide real-time visibility into key spending trends. Businesses gain rich insights along a range of dimensions, enabling them to analyze expense trends, identify cost-saving opportunities, spot fraud, and improve policy compliance. Built on the Amazon cloud, Expense offers a scalable platform for managing expenses that grow with your businesses. Expense seamlessly integrates with HRMS, ERP, accounting software, and banking systems, ensuring expense data is synced in real time and books can close on time. Take the leap and quick start your expense automation journey.